Hello, Ian, and everyone over there at Everlast Solutions. My name is Charles Marine. I work with a company called Warley Digital, and we help small businesses such as yours to pull in more clients and attract more clients. The reason I'm shooting this video is because I stumbled on your website while doing a couple of Google searches around South Jersey, and I just wanted to give you 3 free tips that can help you optimize for Google and help you be seen more visible by your clients or potential clients. You don't have to have me implement these tips. You can implement them yourself right now or pass them over to your website or SEO person to implement these tips. I'm just doing this because I've realized a lot of business owners don't have the time to get into this kind of stuff and build their online asset, and as well as they may be confused with which SEO people to go with. And hopefully I can prove myself and you can start pulling in more clients through this. So the 3 things I wanted to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So starting with content. Content is everything I've highlighted on your front page here, all the text, the pictures, the text behind the pictures. For example, this one picture here, if I try to save it, I can see that it has been saved as basement wall THM. Now Google, when they crawl all the websites, they look for these kind of things. And to optimize with Google, it's important to name your pictures optimally with good keywords, as well as have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your site. By authoritative, I mean text that shows exactly what you do, where you are located, your different locations that you service, who you are, and exactly what services you offer. Also, along with that, it's important to have your text saturated with organic keywords. And by keywords, I mean these are the things people type into Google when they're looking for your service. For example, New Jersey basement remodeling. If someone does not know the name of any basement company, they'll typically type something like this, New Jersey basement remodeling, and see which companies pop up. So if you could saturate your website with good authoritative keywords that have a high search volume, and I'm going to get into that in a few minutes. Actually, let's go. Let's explore this one keyword, New Jersey basement remodeling. So I have a tool called Ahrefs, and this is a popular tool. A lot of SEO people use this tool. And I took the liberty of putting in New Jersey basement remodeling. If I look at this keyword, I can tell 100 people are searching for it per month. And let's see how the traffic is being shared. So this, your number one competitor, Finished Basement NJ, gets about 43 people coming because of that one keyword. And if we go back to the Google search, you'll see that they're the first organic search result. Not only that, if we go back and actually analyze your competition using the same tool, you'll see that they rank for about 2,000 other keywords, which is pretty important. It's driving 1,500 people to their website. So as a competitor, what you would do is come in and look at the high volume keyword searches. For example, basement remodeling New Jersey, 100 people search for that every month. They're in the first position, so they get 38 extra people per month. Finished basement New Jersey, 100 people again, they get 34 people coming to them. So they're getting tons of traffic just because of these keywords. And if we can saturate your site with more of these organic keywords that we can tell have a lot of search volume, you'll be able to get more and more traffic coming to you. So I went over content, I went over keywords. Now citations. Citations have everything to do with this area here of the Google search results with a map and 3 companies listed. Now, the way to rank higher in this map pack is to have more citations. Citations are anywhere, your name, business, phone number, and address. Your business name, business phone number, business address are listed in different directories across the internet, exactly as they appear in Google. For example, by directories, I mean Yelp, Dexnos, Better Business Bureau, LinkedIn, yellowpages.com, whitepages.com, etc. The more authoritative directories you're listed in, the higher and higher you will rank in this map back. Last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. And they have to do with this organic area here. If you think of the internet as a whole connection of web pages all linked together, backlink is one link directing traffic to your website from a different web page. Not all backlinks are created equal, because if an Arby's forum or website has a link towards you guys who do basement remodeling, and Google will pick that up as a spammy backlink because you almost have nothing to do with each other. However, if a forum for house remodelers has a backlink pointing straight to your website, then definitely Google sees that as a stronger backlink, more authoritative, more concerned with your niche, and it will count it as higher. Now, same tool, Ahrefs, I can analyze different websites' backlinks and putting yours in. I see you have from 70 domains, you have about 213 different backlinks. And let's go to your competitor, Finished Basement. And again, you can see that they have about 3,600 backlinks. And we can tell the strength of the backlinks from a scale of 0 to 100. 97% of them are 0 to 10. So it is possible to beat them with backlinks, just to get more authoritative backlinks and higher quality backlinks, and also increase the number of backlinks. And how do you do that? You can come in here and look at all the backlinks that your competitor has and make sure you have equal or more than that, equal quality, higher quality, and a higher number of backlinks. So if you put all those three things together, citations, backlinks, and content, you'll be able to start ranking higher and higher for the keywords that your competitors are ranking for. And therefore you'll start to see more and more traffic coming to your website. Depending on your conversion rate, that would mean a lot more business for you every month. Those are the three things I wanted to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. Like I had said, you can pass this on to your website or SEO person. If you would want to save time, again, I am Charles with Wally Digital. Here's my email address. You can hit me up anytime, and I'd love to have a conversation about how we can help you see more clients. Thank you very much, and have a great day, Ian.